Okay, so I'm not gonna keep it too long. Okay, as I've been tutoring, I've been noticing some of these in between steps. It's been giving some students a little bit of trouble. So I want to clear this up real quick so they can just reference back to this whenever they starting to see issues with the rules of math, right? So for example, right, we got 2 plus 1 equals 3, right? We know that. That's simple. But when we run into a negative number, students tend to panic. So negative 2 plus 1. Okay, whenever you see this, any numbers with different signs, we can basically treat it like subtraction. So if we have a negative 2 and we're adding a positive 1, different signs, we're adding different signs, so it can be treated as subtraction. 2 minus 1 is 1, and the number with the greater value, that's the sign that the answer takes. For example, in this question, 2 is the greater value, so it takes the negative sign. In the third one, so now we have negative 2 plus a negative 1. Any number that's being added with the same sign will keep the sign that's in the problem. For example, in 2 plus 1 is 3 because they're both positive. But in this example, you have negative 2 and negative 1, being that they're both negative, it keeps its sign. Negative 3 is your answer. So for this one, this is the one that kind of causes confusion. So now we're subtracting a negative number from a negative number. So you're often going to see this in parentheses because it wants to, point out that you're subtracting a negative number. So the quick trick for this is whenever when you see a minus and a negative number, always circle what's in between, put an addition of it. So whenever I do this, now it's 2 plus positive 1. So 2 negatives always equals a positive. I need you to remember that. So you see a minus and a negative, circle it, plus. So now it's the same as saying negative 2 plus 1, right? What do we do with that? Negative 2 plus 1, same as this one, right? So treat it like subtraction. 1, negative 1 is your answer. You get me? So the last one. So it's just basically 2 plus a negative 1. It's the same thing. We're adding 2 different signs. So it can be treated like subtraction. 2 minus 1 is 1. Which one has the greater sign? The 2 has the greater sign. So your answer is positive 1. I hope this helps. I hope you refer back to this video whenever you see these negative numbers in between problems. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. Link will be in the description. We also have a TikTok and a Discord if y'all like to join up so we can actually learn math together. See y'all later.